Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Bills of exchange is still a theme for the season. Example 2.4 is where we are. A very lovely example that is connected with another exercise 2.2, number B. Very popular question that will appear if bills are still a topic that is part of the curriculum. A trader is unable to meet a bill of 3,600 which falls due today, meaning this person is owing an amount of 3,600 today. Then it says he agrees to the following arrangements. To pay 1,000 cash, that means this person does have 1,000 cash available to pay the 3.6 that he is owing. In other words, he is having a debt of a bill of 3.6, but he doesn't have the amount available in his disposal in order to pay this bill. So what he does, he takes cash out of his own disposal in order to pay the 3,600 that he is owing. And I want to make that one very clear. So obviously, if we say 3,600 minus 1,000, there will still be something outstanding. 3,600 minus 1,000, there will still be 2,600 that is still outstanding, that is still need to settle. And this must all take place today because the bill is due today. In other words, this gentleman promised to pay somebody through a promissory note called a bill of exchange to say, I'm going to pay you 3.6 for the inventory maybe that I've taken on credit. So this is a promise to have 3.6 after a certain number of days or after a certain period. But this period has arrived and this period is today, and this person does not have the 3.6, but he only have 1,000 cash available, which still makes him to owe 2,600. So now how is he planning to settle the difference? That is the question. Then now that is why we go to the second bullet point. He transfers a bill in his possession for 1.6, which falls due 3 months' time at a discount rate of 12% per annum. Meaning now he transferring the bill that is in his possession, and this bill is 1.6, which falls 3 months time at a discount of 12% per annum. Meaning now is going to be able to discount this bill of 1.6 from the bank because this bill is due in 3 months time. Then now, because it's due 3 months time, but this guy needs money when? Today. So he discounted the bill that is due 3 months time at a rate of 12% in order for him to get cash. Meaning out of this 1.6, the bank will deduct interest, which is called the banker's discount. Then this gentleman is going to get the cash difference between the face value of the bill and the cash value of the bill, and the banker's discount, in fact. So he's going to get a cash value of this bill. Obviously, after the bank has deducted interest from 1.6, he will still not be able to settle the 2.6 that is owing, but we still need to know how much will be the remainder after this person has paid with the cash value of this bill. Now let us then first calculate the cash value of this new bill. So now remember, I'm just doing a rough analysis now, not doing the calculations in the proper way. So the bank will say 1,600 times by 0.12 to calculate the banker's discount, times by 3 over 12. Then the bank will say, I'm going to deduct 48 rand from the 1,600, which will be my interest. So this person will get a cash of 1,552 rand. Then you say plus 2,600. That means this person still owes 1,048 rand. So now because he still owes this 1,048 rand, the question is, how is he going to pay? Okay, where is he going to get the 1048 rand? Now that will be the next stage, where now the next bullet point says he accepts a new bill for the outstanding amount plus interest at 9% per annum. And again they say plus interest, meaning out of the amount that is owing we need to say plus interest. That becomes the face value of the new bill, so that after the bank has deducted the interest called banker's discount, this person can get a cash value of 1048 rand, so that he can settle the amount that he currently owes. So now we are going to say 1048 rand times by 0.12 times by 6 months, because this new bill was due 6 months to come, times by 6 divided by 12. That means the banker's discount, or the interest that will be charged by the bank, will be the total of the two. Then let me just recalculate that. We have 1048 times by 0. The interest is 9%, no longer 12%, times 0.09 times by 6/12. That is where I've made an error. So we can see that the banker's discount is 47 rand 16 cents. So the bank will deduct 47 rand 16 cents out of the total amount that he will be having. So hence now the interest that must be added is the 47 rand 60 cents, meaning the face value of the new bill must be the sum of the two plus 1048 rand, meaning this person must accept a bill of 1095 rand 16 cents. That is the value of the new bill, face value of the new bill that he must accept. So that when he accepts this bill, meaning the new bill, when he accepts this new bill of 1095 rand 16 cents, the bank, and remember, is going to discount it now, yet is due in the next 6 months. When it's discounting, meaning getting cash from the bank will say we are going to deduct interest, remember, and our interest is 47 rand 16 cents, so that you get the cash value, which will be obviously equal to the amount that you are owing. So now the face value of the new bill will be 1095 rand 16 cents. Now let us record this in a more formalized approach. So we're just doing a random skeleton. Now we have the bill that is owing, meaning the amount that is owing, and the bill that is owing is a bill of 3,600 rands to my remembrance memory. Yes, he owes a bill of 3,600 rands. Owes a bill of 3,600 rands. 3,600. Then it does have cash that is available. So we need to say less cash that is available. How much cash does he have? He have cash of 1,000. Then he will still be owing an amount of 2,600, which is the balance. You still have a balance of 2.6, and he transferred a bill that he discounted. He transferred a bill, and the bill that he transferred was due in 3 months and discounted it at 12% per annum. And now the bill that he transferred obviously is going to receive cash for that, and we said the cash for this bill will be, the cash value for this bill will be equal to the face value minus the banker's discount. And we needed to calculate the banker's discount, which is equal to 1,600 times by the rate of discount 0.12 times by 3 months out of the 12 month, and we realize that this will be 1,600 times by 0.12 times by 3 divided by 12. We're realizing that 48 rand will be the interest that will be charged by the bank. That means this person is only going to receive 1,600 minus 48 rand. So meaning is going to receive a lesser amount than the face value of the bill. Meaning is going to receive cash of 1,552 rand. Remember, whenever he receives money, his intention is to pay his debt that falls due today. So now he goes and pay, obviously, the 2,600 that is still outstanding. Then he is left now with the balance of 1,048 rand. The question is, what is the face value of the new bill? Now the face value of the new bill will be adding the interest, because they said what is the face value, calculate the amount of the new bill. If he accepts a new bill of the outstanding amount plus interest, so now it must be the amount that is owing plus interest. So now that is why we need to say plus interest. We need to say plus interest. They said plus interest, so we also need to plus the interest. So the interest that we are plusing is the interest that will be calculated from the face value, or the amount that is owing. Where now we say times by 0.09, because the rate of discount will be 9%, and we say times by 6 months over 12 months, so that we discover how much will be the interest charged by the bank that need to be added. Times by 6 over 12, this gives us 47 rand 16 cents. So now this in simple terms means plus 1,048 rands. Therefore now the face value of the new bill is 1,095 rand 16 cents. So this is the face value of the new bill, meaning the new bill must be this amount. New bill will be 1,095 rand 16 cents. With that, guys, thank you very much.